Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mouse cursor is disappearing or lagging in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your mouse cursor is not working as well as you want, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can do, you can try to update the mouse driver. You just have to simply press Window button and here to search for Device Manager. Now once you're in Device Manager, you just have to look for mouse or pointing devices here. Just expand it, and here you have to update all of these drivers. Now once you have updated all of these drivers, you have to retry to check if your PC is successfully set it or not, or if your mouse is not working or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to open the run command, press Windows plus R, and here you have to enter main.cpl. Press OK, and you might see a desktop interface. Just go to hardware and then go to wheel and go to pointer options. You can easily customize your mouse pointer from here. Now the very first thing you can try to disable this display pointer trails. If you have enabled, your mouse will look like something this. So you just have to disable this. Once you have disabled, go to buttons, and here you have to make sure that this is set to be as normal, not fast or slow from here. Then go to pointer options, and you have to also select this normal speed from here. You can also disable this. Now once you have done all the settings, just press apply and then OK. Now once you have done, just restart your PC, and after restarting, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.